Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add a credit card on Shein. So if you want to add a credit or debit card, the process is pretty same in Shein, but you need to order something. And when you order something and you want to pay for that item, during the payment time only you guys can add card on Shein. So let me show you how you guys can do that. So just for this video's example, I'm going to buy this random ring thing. So I'm going to order this and I will click on add to cart. Once I click on add to cart, a cart looking icon will appear at the bottom right corner. I will click on it. Once I click on the cart, I need to click on checkout at the bottom right corner. Once I do that, it'll take me to this page. I will choose the delivery option. I will choose the standard shipping and click and continue to payment. Now over here you can see the option called credit/debit card. Click on it. Once you click on it, click on place order at the bottom. Then it's going to take you to the card entering page. Over here, enter your credit card detail, like a credit card 16-digit number and its expiration date and its CVV number. Once you enter that, scroll a bit down and click on where it says place order. Once you do that, whatever product you want to buy, that product will be bought using this credit card. And a credit card will also be saved on your Shein account for future payment methods. So I hope you understand how we guys can add a credit card on Shein app. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.